Oh, check it out though. That's an old Goodmans. That's the good one. That's Trane, I think. More Goodmans down there. So, here they are. This one is white. This one is blue. See, that's the Goodman. As I wish that's the old Goodman. See a little bit destroyed. Goodman has a fan on it. I believe it's white now. And I'll see you on the next one. We have two Goodmen. And we have arm comfort. This is a Goodman GSH. Two of them. It's the same thing. Right. See you on the next one. We have another one. Check it out. Here's the Goodman. Here's, you see, there's Goodman down here. Goodman's. Here's Goodman down here. That's a lot of Goodman. One is a little Goodman.